Hey guys, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. This is a collaboration video between my channel, Mr. Homeowner, and the Waltwins, Adam and Brett. We're doing a surf and turf collaboration. I'm actually mixing up some of my stuff right now. My take on the surf and turf is going to be New York strip sirloin on the charcoal, Akorn, and then a bacon wrapped crab meat stuffed shrimp. So right now, as far as the stuffing goes, I'm using some Philly cream cheese along with the crab meat. And what was in here was some green onions chopped up a little bit. And this is a lot easier to stir around if you leave the cream cheese out a little while. But let me get this mixed up. I think I gotta finish thawing the shrimp. And I'll be right back. Now I decided to go ahead and do the New York strips on the grill because I know the Waltwins are going to be using the Blackstone, and I'm assuming they're going to be doing steak. I don't know. We didn't discuss what we're each going to pick, but I didn't want to have the same video twice for everybody. Plus, I enjoy it on the grill as well. Steak is awesome on the Blackstone or any type of griddle, so I've done that many times. I have a bunch of videos with that. In fact, I actually started out with the Blackstone, and then now I'm using the char-griller flat iron. But mix this up. I'm going to add some more crab meat to it also. I don't want it to be all cream cheese, you know. And you can use imitation crab meat if you want. Just want to make sure everybody gets a nice taste when you take a bite. Hey, we're back. So the shrimp, I'm finishing thawing that out right now. So that should be done soon. The steak, let's go to that. So far all I did, took it out of the package. I patted them dry. You take all the moisture off, and then now what you want to do is coat with a light coat of oil. This is just olive oil I use on the griddle. And for seasoning today, we're going to use, it's crazy, I know, Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt. And there's also a mixed up pepper we're going to use. You got to give these a try if you haven't tried them yet. And pat them in. And of course you want to do both sides. So a little bit of oil so everything sticks. Also helps to get a nice sear on there. Do our mixed up salt. And mixed up pepper. All right, I'm actually going to let these sit out while I finish the shrimp. And just kind of mopping up the rest of the stuff that might be around with the sides. All right, these guys are ready. All right, next up, we have our shrimp. These are raw, deveined, still the shells on them. We have our mixture we made with the cream cheese and crab meat. And we have some bacon, just regular cut bacon. And I stretch it out a little bit so that we can wrap it real nice. So let's take one, grab the shells off of here. So they're already deveined, so they have that going for them. Come on. And I'm going to leave the tails on. I don't know why that went so hard. All right, so they're deveined, so they already have a cut started. Just take a knife, be very careful. Actually, the weight of this knife is enough to open that up a little bit. All right, now that we have that open, take some of our mixture, pop it in there. I'm only going to make a few of these on camera, and then we'll go to the right to the griddle. Take your bacon and just kind of wrap it around. I want to leave a little bit of the shrimp to see, so that way I can tell the color. And I'm probably not going to use this whole piece of bacon. I want to make sure it cuts that guy. And then here. And set that off to plate. All right, let me finish these up. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are ready to go. We have the heat at about medium right now. Got a couple of shrimps my daughter wants, without any stuffing on them or anything. Try to keep those over here. These are the 13-15 count, so they're the jumbo size. Again, we're about medium heat. Put a little pepper down. A little salt. And a little garlic. Now while we're waiting for the shrimp, which are getting there pretty quick, you can see they're starting to turn orange. Throw some onions on, or some, these aren't onions. Some mushrooms down. Add a little bit of butter in there. Let's flip these guys. These ones are easy. And let's see how they look. Oh, look at that, they're getting there. I'm also going to add some salt, pepper, garlic. Pepper. garlic. All right, I'm going to call these guys done. That. All right, we're hitting about 425 degrees. Now, these steaks are about a little less than an inch thick. We're not going to go on very long at all. As Adam and Brett say, hear the crowd roar. We're going to do 4 minutes this side, 4 minutes the other side. All right, it's been 4 minutes. Flip these guys. Now this time we're going to do 2 minutes and then flip them, or not flip them, but twist them. Check the watch. Been 2 minutes. So now let's flip them, twist them, like that. And in 2 minutes we'll stab them. They should be about 120. All right, 2 minutes is up. Let's see where we are. Ooh, 126. Yeah, we're ready. 130s. Might have seen almost a 140 in there. Let's flip them and see what we got. Nice. We'll let these rest and cut into them. Shut this down. All right, guys, we're ready to cut into this. Let's see what we got. I'm using my new favorite knife. Just going to move some of these out of the way. Let's pretend like we're at a steakhouse. Just going to go right across here. Once we start getting into some of the meat here. Oh, it looks good. So I was aiming for a medium rare, and I think we're there. Let's take a look. What do you think? So let's plate this up. I'm going to continue cutting. My family is waiting to eat this, so I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to put a plate together, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're done. So this is my take on the surf and turf with the collaboration with the Waltwins, Adam and Brett. Make sure you check their video out as well. I'm going to put that link down in the description. And let's do a taste test, see how they are. So here's what it looks like. We got the steak here. Look at that. That's about rare, between medium rare and rare. So it's 4 minutes aside at about 400 degrees on charcoal, lump charcoal. And then we have got some mashed potatoes. We cheated with those. Those are microwave mashed potatoes. Then we have our crab stuffed bacon wrapped shrimp. I'm going to take a bite of this first. That's amazing. That's awesome. All right, so the steak. This is great. Again, all we did was Crazy Jane's salt and pepper. Crazy Jane's mixed up salt and pepper. New York strip. Love it. Super easy. Can't wait to see what Adam and Brett came up with. Again, check them out. Check out some of my other videos. If you're new here, subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you next time. I'm going to keep eating. That's awesome.